guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair extension review for a company called 6-Star Luxury Hair Extensions. They were kind enough to send me a set of hair extensions for me to review and tell you guys what I think about the quality of the hair and just my honest opinion. So I will go ahead and leave their link down below if you guys want to check them out, if you guys want to purchase a set of hair extensions. They didn't give me a discount code, but I will definitely reach out to them and try to get one for you guys. So if I do get one, I will leave a link down below. And yeah, so if you guys want to see what I think about these extensions, then just keep watching. Alright, so this is what the packaging looks like. So when you open the box, it comes with the hair extensions, which I actually took out, and I'll show you guys why in a second. But it comes with this little bag right here, and the extensions come in here. And then it also comes with an extra set of clips just in case. It also comes with a set of lashes, and you know I will be using these lashes, okay? Look how cute. They're mink 3D hair, which are really pretty and very voluminous. And then it also comes with a comb to tease your hair, to apply the extensions if you like to tease your hair under your extensions, girl. Okay, so the color of extensions that I chose were ash blonde, and I will put a clip right here. And as you can see, the ash blonde is kind of a little yellow for my hair. My hair is more like an ashy tone and has a little bit of purple in it. So I decided to tone the extensions with purple shampoo. That's all you need to do, because if you leave it on too long, they will turn really purple, which some of the strands did do turn a little purple, which is fine, because when I do tone my hair, they do tend to get a lot purple in certain areas. But so I toned them, and this is what they look like. Look how pretty. Like, do you guys see? Yes, girl. And it comes with all this hair, you guys. This is 220 grams of hair. The quality is amazing. Like, seriously, very soft. Even if that I washed it, it's still really soft. They did get wavy because I washed them and I just let them flat dry on a towel. And you can go ahead and straighten them, curl them, and again, you can tone them as well. This is the color that I chose, ash blonde. I will leave everything linked down below for you guys if you guys are interested. Overall, I really like the extensions. I feel that they're very, like, a really good quality of hair. It's really thick. Like, you guys can see, like, a lot of hair. But yeah, so I believe it comes with 7 or 9 pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my extensions on. And I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I like to do, just because I have a really blunt cut, as you guys can see. So it's kind of hard to blend my hair with extensions, whether they're really thick. Sometimes I feel like, girl, it's really hard to blend extensions with my hair. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I like to do, and yeah. So the first thing that I like to do is start where my brows are. And I have a mirror right here if you guys see me turning. But I like to start where my brows are, a little bit above, and put this hair up, okay? We're gonna keep this hair out, like so, and I'm just gonna do it in a little bun, like that, okay? And then what I do with the rest of the hair that's remaining, I'm gonna French braid it all down, and then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like once I French braid my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn around, and this is what the back should look like. Alright, so I French braided it all the way down from my brows all the way down, okay? That way all this hair is just pinned straight, like flat, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna grab the 2-clip weft. I'm gonna put that at the bottom. Just like that. Okay? Then I'm going to go in with a 3-clip weft. And I'm going to apply that right above. Then I'm going to go in with a 4-clip weft. Okay, this is the biggest weft that they send you. And I'm going to put that right in the middle. And these clips, you guys, are very, like, sturdy. Like, they're not going nowhere. Okay? So, yes, girl. Inches Look how pretty. Like, you already start feeling yourself, you know, like a Barbie. So I'm gonna go in with the 3-clip weft. All right, and I'm gonna apply it towards the front of the hair. Just right here. And then I'm gonna overlap the other extension. Right there. And then in the back. Okay, just like that. And then I'm gonna go with another 3-clip weft, and I'm gonna apply it on the other side. I'm gonna add a little bit of tease to this hair right here. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clip right in the front. And then I'm gonna overlap it in the back. Just like that, okay? Then I'm gonna let this hair down. See, it's starting to come together, you guys. We'd be looking like a Barbie right now. I'm gonna grab the back of the hair. I'm gonna tease it. Give it a good tease. And then I'm gonna go ahead and hairspray it. Just like so. I'm gonna let it sit there for a bit, okay? And then we're gonna add a little bit more extensions in the front because you want it to still blend a little more. So I'm gonna go in with a 2-clip weft. This is the last 2-clip weft left. And I'm gonna go in right here. And I'm gonna tease a little bit right here on this side. You wanna get it as close as possible to your scalp, okay? So I like to kind of tease all the way up to my scalp. And then I'm gonna clip it. Boom. All right, then I'm gonna bring it over just like that, okay? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tease the top hair like this and give it a tease. And then hairspray it. And I'm gonna bring it down and I'm gonna slightly just comb it. That way we don't see the wefts, okay? That way if there's wind or whatever, your hair is not going anywhere. It's covering the wefts. And then we're gonna go on this side. And I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna give these little hairs a little tease. And then I'm gonna add some individual wefts, okay? It comes with 4 individual wefts. So one, put one right there. Another one right there, and then I'm gonna bring it over. So then I'm gonna grab this hair and I'm gonna give it a little bit of a tease again on this side. Just like that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hairspray it. And then let it fall down. Once you're looking all sorts of crazy, then you're gonna brush it down. All right, so I have 2 more wefts left, and I don't really need them, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in somewhere. That way we can have that extra va-va-voom, because, you know, we're just extra like that on this channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and look to see where I need to put it. Okay, you guys, so I put all the wefts in, as you guys can see, and it looks so bomb. Like, yes, this is giving me total, like, baddie vibes. Look how bomb and full my hair looks compared to, like, my little hair. And don't get me wrong, I love having short hair. Like, it's so easy for me to style it. I mean, I love having it straight, but I love short hair. But here and there, I do wish to have, like, long hair. You know, us girls, we're very undecisive. So sometimes I want to be like that baddie, you know? So I want to add some extensions. And yeah, so this is what the extensions look like. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of hairspray just on top. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with a brush like this, and I'm just gonna kind of set everything down just like that, so everything is nice and seamless. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little bit of information of the extensions. It's 220 grams. It's human hair extensions, and the color is ash blonde number 60. They do go for $179. Again, I will try to get a discount code for you guys, and I will leave it linked down below if I do get one. But yeah, so I really love the extensions, you guys. As you guys can see, they're really good quality. I washed them and then I let them air dry on a towel, and this is how they got kind of wavy, which I kind of like the waviness because it just makes them look a little more like natural. But yeah, they're so pretty. I love how they blend. Again, I had to tone them with my purple shampoo in order for them to get kind of more like my hair color. But yeah, so this is what the extensions look like. I give them a 10 out of 10 rating. And this is like 100% my opinion. I'm not sitting here. They didn't pay me to talk good about them. I'm not gonna lie, I did go on YouTube and I did see other reviews for this company, and other girls weren't happy with their extensions, but to be honest, I'm obsessed with them. I have bought Bellamy hair extensions and they don't seem to blend as well with my hair as these did. So overall, I guess these are my fave extensions at the moment, and I will definitely be taking pics in them. And yeah, that's gonna do it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and join the dolls fam, because you know, we have a good time here on this channel. You know what I mean? Bomb.com. Okay. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, dolls.